How to create account on Signal private messenger. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a new account on Signal private messenger. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Let me just click here on this application. The first look is like this, so you can download it from App Store or Play Store. And then after this you can see this type of interface. Take privacy with you, be yourself in every message. So you have to click on continue option here, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here you can see Signal needs access to your contact in order to connect with friends. So what you need to do here, you have to click on continue, and then you have to allow the contact. So here this type of interface will pop up. So here you have to click, and then you have to select your country. So as I am from India, let me just click on India, and then you have to enter your phone number. So let me enter my phone number here. So here you have to click on this next, and then this type of interface will be pop up. You can see on the screen, and then here you have to wait for the OTP you will receive on the given number. You will receive a code that will be sent to your given phone number. So you have to wait. So I have successfully received the code, and then here you can see it is on a processing mode, and then it's done. So here you can see this type of interface will pop up. So you have to just give up your name. So let me just give my name, and then here last name you can give anything. Okay, and then here you have to click on this next option here, and then it's done. Here you can see you have to enter a pin. So let me enter my pin here, and then it's done. Click on next, re-enter your pin here. So after you have to re-enter the pin, click on next, and then here it will take a few moments creating pin, and then it's done, I guess. So here it's done. So if you wanna use this application, you can check it out my next video. This is how you can create your account on Signal private messenger. Thanks for watching.